Hello everyone. Today I will say about how to install Java and how to set a path for Java, and I am also tell one example for that. In that you have to choose Google Chrome. You have to type it as Java SC downloads. Java SC downloads. In that click on that. You can see Java downloads Oracle. You can click on that. You can see the present or latest version of Java, that is Java 17th one. You can see available or not. Based on your operating system you have to download the Java. That is my operating system is Windows. I am downloading Windows. My 64 installer bit. Click on download. After that it will be downloaded. I am pausing this file, cancelling this file. Why? Because in my laptop already Java is present. Okay. After successfully installation of Java, you can see download Java. You can see downloads, and after that click show in folder. Here double click on that. It will show like this. You click on yes. After that it will asking preparing to install. Yeah, click on next. After next, now you can see here Java is successfully installed. After that you have to close. Now we can check whether Java is available or not in your laptop. How can we check? Go to this PC or my computer in your computer and Windows C and click program files. In that you have to see Java. Java is available and click on that one and JDK. In that you have to select bin folder. Up to bin folder you have to copy the path. Just single click on that and Control C for copy and minimize the screen and type here to search. Click on edit the environment variables. Edit the system environment variable. Double click on that. In that you have to see environment variables. In that you have to new. Click on new. Give variable name as path and whatever variable value is whatever the path you have copy, that path will be paste it and click on OK. Again you have to go for program files. Now you have to select up to JDK folder, not bin folder. Now you have to select this one and the single click on that. It will be copied. Control C for copying and again come to system environment variables and here system variables. Click on new. In variable name give variable name as Java home. Java home as variable name and value is paste the program. That's it. Click on OK and here click on OK and here click on OK. Now we can see whether Java is running or not. In that you have to open command prompt. See Windows or click on that. You can type it as CMD and click on enter. Windows, click on Java. Okay, enter Java. Sorry, enter Java. Yeah, Java is available and Java C. Java C also available. Okay, after that we have done do one program. That's a basic hello world program we can do. For that you can open notepad. In that you have to create one program. Class, give any one file name. That is I am giving Madhu as my file name. Okay, after that whenever you have to run the program, main method is must and should. That is public static void main. Public static void main of string of args. Okay, this public is nothing but it is declared as members access. Static is nothing but access specifier. Void is nothing but data type. We can use any data type. Main is nothing but the execution starts from the main function. String args is nothing but formal arguments. Now we can print the hello world program. System dot how dot println. hello world, hello world. Mm, why we are using system.out.println means it will be display the output. In C we can use printf statement to display the output. In Java we can use system.out.println to display the output. Now I can save the file. Go to control s, skip as. Okay, here you have to save your file. Whatever the file name you have given, in that file name only you have to save the file. My file name is given madhu, madhu dot java. Why dot java means it is the extension of java file. Click on enter, click on enter. After that again windows or command prompt, open command prompt and click on enter. Now you can see compile your program. What is the compilation? In compilation we have used java c compiler. Java c file name dot java. My file name is madhu dot java. See, there is one error in my program. I semicolon is mistaken, sorry for that. After that control s and again you have to compile it. Java c madhu dot java. Click on enter. My program is successfully compiled and it will keeps under execution. For execution we have to use java and file name space file name java space madhu. You can see your output. Okay, that's all about yourself.